Hey you guys, welcome back to Writer Groupie. This week I'm going to do an unboxing for a new tarot deck. If you've been following the channel, you know once a month I do tarot for writers, a reading just for writers who may be struggling with some aspect of their work in progress. And so today that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a new deck started here, and that's the one I'll probably be reading from this month. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. As you might know, the inside deck has plastic on it. Maybe I should have removed all the plastic and gotten all this stuff done before I set up the camera and started rolling, but you know, that's how I work. This is how I roll. And I promise you, I am going to get this tape, this plastic off. I'm gonna get off if this is the last thing I do. I'm getting success here. I'm getting somewhere. Gosh, y'all. I'm gonna have to get some scissors. No, I'm not. There we go. The last of it. Woohoo! Okay. Sorcerer's Tarot. Artwork by Lo Scarabeo. I have another deck that he's done the artwork for. And it is called the Celtic Tarot, and it's one of my favorite decks, so I'm really looking forward to looking at the cards in this one. Here's the little booklet that goes along with it that helps you with your readings. It tells you things about, you know, the different pinnacles and cups and so forth. There's a special card in here, just from the artist and the producer of this deck. And you can get a membership into the Tarot Association that Scarabeo is a part of. So I'll be looking into that. Okay, here's my card. Guess what this card is? This card looks like it might be, oh wait, no. This is the backs of the cards. All the cards have this image for the backs. I'm so excited. Yes. I love it. Just love it. Okay. So here we go. The Fool. The Fool. He looks rather foolish, doesn't he? That's the first card in the deck. And we have the King of Swords. The King of Swords is the last card in the deck. Now, I've gone through the deck a little bit and I've looked at the major arcana cards, and they're very expressive. This is going to be a really interesting deck. You know, I showed you the Fool. None of them have any kind of description on there aside from a number. We know these are the major arcana. This would be the High Priestess, I assume. Not sure, I don't remember what the third card in the deck is. Maybe Temperance, not sure. This might be the Emperor, maybe, probably. This is the Hierophant. We all know the Hierophant is also the Pope. I think this is the Lovers. Might be, we'll see. The Chariot. Perhaps. Justice. This is Justice. You see the scales, you know this is Justice. Keeping that balance. The Hermit. Oh yeah, the Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune. Got all the fortune around it. Strength. He's wrestling with an alligator, and me living in Florida, let me just tell you, this is a strong person. The Hanged Man. The Hanged Man. Death. Got that scythe. Death. I believe this is Temperance, actually. The water bearer, the one that, you know, keeps things in check. I think that is Temperance. I'm not sure what that other one was. The Devil. This is my card. I'm a Capricorn. I am the Devil, and this is my card. And I like it very much. The Tower. The Tower, where chaotic things can happen. The Star card. The Star card. She looks like she's pretty happy with her star. The Moon card. The Moon card. And this is a full moon in this deck. I like that. The Sun card. The Sun card. And it's a happy sun. Not quite sure what this one is. I'll have to look this up. It may be the Resurrection card. What is that? Oh gosh, y'all, I can't even think of what it's called. This is the Resurrection card, whatever that is. The World. The World. She's got the world in her hands. And here we go. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Kind of looks morose there, huh? Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Looking a little morose in that one too. Eight of Cups. Working hard. Nine of Cups. Taking it easy because they've just about finished everything they had to do that day. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Everything's done. The angels are singing. The Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups. And he looks like me first thing in the morning with my cup of coffee. The Knight of Cups. And this would be the... No, that's not the Knight. That's the Page. The Page of Cups. This is the Knight of Cups. He's roaring in on his beautiful gold and white owl. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. King of Cups. He looks like he's really getting some stuff done. And then, ladies and gentlemen, and then we move right into Pinnacles. And guess what the Ace of Pinnacles card is? My card. That card that drew my attention, that made me want to buy this deck, is the Ace of Pinnacles. The Two of Pinnacles. And she looks kind of wicked, doesn't she? She looks like she's up to no good. So the Two of Pinnacles. Three of Pentacles, stirring up something. Four of Pentacles, she carries a skull in her hand. I wonder what that means. And the Five of Pentacles. She done got herself in trouble, hadn't she? The Six of Pentacles, she's just about to kiss a frog. Do you feel like you're gonna kiss a frog? This may be your card today. Seven of Pentacles. She's surrounded by kitties. She's in a happy day, happy mood. Eight of Pentacles, busy at work, making that money. It's almost the weekend. Nine of Pentacles is almost like a queen card. In the money, as they say. And the Ten of Pentacles, we have already done it. We've manifested it. We've brought it in. We are truly, truly satisfied. Now, the Page of Pentacles. It's kind of a smirk on his face, like, hey, yeah, I got something for you. I don't know whether you want to hear this or not, but there it is anyway. The Knight of Pentacles, he's roaring in on his unicorn, so you know he's got important news to tell. The Queen of Pentacles, she's busy studying the money. The Queen of Pentacles is all about that coin. And the King of Pentacles, yeah, he's a little bit worried about his money. Maybe he's in kind of a argument with the Queen. The Ace of Wands looks like a Boy Scout. He's got his wand and he looks like he's ready to do battle. The Two of, the Two of Wands, he's trying to make some magic happen. He's got a passion going on and he's really trying to raise the dragon. Three of Wands. This person is growing something. It looks like from the artwork, she's growing it out of herself. So maybe this is some self-reflection time. Four of Wands. This one has drawn all the fairies. All the fairies are in this card. They're gathering together. Five of Wands. Looks like a battle going on. There's a battle, and I don't know why. And I hope this is not your card today. Six of Wands is a witch or a sorcerer on her broom. She's heading somewhere. She's going somewhere. And she's pretty happy about it. Seven of Wands, being kind of chased by something, feeling a little chased, feeling a little bit like you're out of time. Eight of Wands, really working hard to manifest. You're working hard. Nine of Wands, looks like you're successful at something. You're turning into it. You're really grounded and you're deeply rooted in whatever you're working toward. 10 of Wands is all the birds. The birds have shown up to give information, and it looks like most of them are owls, so maybe the wisdom. This is the wisdom card, 10 of Wands. You're going to get some much needed wisdom. The Page of Wands. He looks kind of smirky too, doesn't he? He looks like he's got a secret. Is he going to tell us? Well, the Knight of Wands is riding a dragon, and he's busy. That dragon's got him going all over the place. So that's what this card means. The Knight of Wands. The Queen of Wands. She looks like she's in her garden, so that looks very fruitful. It looks like she's getting some stuff done too. And the King of Wands, he's a very busy king, but he's very royal. He's got all those banners behind him. People know who he is. And now we have swords. And the Ace of Swords. This person looks kind of furtive, like they're going to do something in a minute if you don't watch out. Two of Swords. She's turned her back on something and she's going in a different direction. Three of Swords. This person is not very happy. They're caught up in their mental anguish here over something. Four of Swords, they're asleep. They're literally asleep. They couldn't stay awake to get anything done. They're fighting against slumber. Five of Wands. They're manifesting something not wholesome. This is a kind of an evil looking card, isn't it? And this is going to be our last set of cards. This is the Six of Swords. They're praying. They're praying hard. Praying hard for something, or praying for protection against something. And maybe they're just in the midst of a ritual. Whatever it is, the Six of Swords, they're at it. Seven of Swords looks like Medusa. Looks like some type of a god. And they are really thinking hard. They're thinking really, really hard. Eight of Swords, hiding from something. Maybe this is mental. Swords are usually about your mind and mental clarity. Maybe this person hasn't got mental clarity on this day. Nine of Swords, he's being attacked. There's a giant bug attacking him. And he's just like, his mind is just probably, he can't even focus because all he can see and think about is that giant bug coming after him. Sounds like one of my nightmares. Ten of Swords. We are a victim. We are a victim of our own mind. Our mind is producing swords aimed at us when it's not really there. We just think it is. The Page of Swords. He looks like a happy fellow, but there's blood running down the walls. Perhaps this page has bad news. The Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords is on a hawk or an eagle. I think it's a hawk. And he's riding fast to do battle with something. Queen of Swords. She has impaled someone with her sword. She is definitely a lady all about her business. And finally, the King of Swords, the King of Swords. And he's kind of like the embodiment of Richard the Lion-Hearted. He's got the lion emblazoned across his chest. He's wearing his crown. The King of Swords is really in his element. Well, that's it for me today, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of the Sorcerer's Tarot. And when I do some readings, I may have more information to share. Those observations were just off the cuff as I looked at the cards very briefly. I had not seen them before. You saw them with me, so I have to practice with them, and I'm going to have to do some readings with them to have a better understanding what all the symbolism means. But I will be back next week on Monday with another video. I'm trying to decide, do I want to do the tarot reading? It may be the Tarot for Writers ring. It may not, but we'll see next week. See y'all. Come on back, okay?